Hey, what's going on, y'all? Riley here from Matt Vapes of Easily, coming at you today with a video about a new box we just got in. A pretty cool box from the Smart guys called the T-PRIV 3 kit. So if you can deduct what that means. Means it's 3 batteries. It's a T-PRIV with 3 batteries. So it's pretty cool. It's a kit, so it does come with a tank, and it does come with the V12 prints. Kind of had a brain fart there, but yeah, it comes with the V12 prints, which is one of my favorite tanks right now. I love it, the way it looks, the way it works. Overall, I think it's one of the best tanks Smock's ever made. I don't know if I would call it the best tank because I really do like the Baby Beast still, but this is a great tank. But this is the device here. So as you can see, we got this nice like chrome metallic finish on this one. They do make them in all sorts of different colors, pretty much all the same colors they make the T-PRIV, the regular one, in. I got this cool red fire bar, of course the red O-rings, the red and blue greenish teal drip tip snake skin looking thing, red wattage buttons on this side, and then your screen's going to be pretty much in the same place as the T-PRIV right here. So overall, I like this box a lot. I hadn't hit the box or anything like that, but I don't think I'm going to have to know how it hits. It's a 300 watt box, battery doors on bottom, so you got 2 positives, 1 negative going towards the bottom on the box. Just like pretty much most all 3 battery boxes work that way. So there's that. That's the modern tank itself. Inside your box, you're going to get an extra Prince coil, extra O-rings, extra gasket for the top piece. Now the good thing about this tank, and if you don't know, Smock's had some issues with these O-rings right here on top of the tank going bad. For some reason they don't want to stay down at all. I mean, I've seen people have them for a few days and the O-ring or the gasket there has already been bad. So I think they fixed it a little bit with the T-PRIV. I haven't seen, or with the V12 prints, I haven't seen near as many problems with them. But still, it's good to have an extra one just in case. So like I said, you do have an extra one of those, extra O-rings, clear O-rings, if you don't like the red ones, and then an extra coil. Your booklet if you like to read, extra tank, just in case you crack that one of these do not eat packets, and then update cable, as always. So pretty much nothing too out of the ordinary on this box. Like I said, it is 3 batteries, so it's going to function just like the T-PRIV. You're just going to have an extra battery. So if you run at 100 watts, you're just going to get a little bit extra battery time. Or if you want to go higher, you can and still, have a little bit more battery than you would off the original T-PRIV. Overall, I like the box a lot. Still got the nice LED lights right there, and they wrap around. Pretty cool on that side. Good thing about that is, like, of course, you got an extra battery, so that's not going to put as much of a strain on your batteries as it did in the original. But pretty much that's going to be it for this video. If you got any questions about the T-PRIV 3 kit from Smock, make sure you leave them in the comments section below. I do appreciate you watching the video. Hope to see you in the shop sometime.